Hey kids, today we're making our own safari in Zillified. We've got a big mountain right here, and this big base for animals to sit on, and a turtle pool for animals to swim in. Okay, let's get started. Ooh, who's this? It's an elephant. Let's pop the oven and the first corner into place. Ooh, who's this? It's a tiger. Let's put the tiger next to the elephant. Ooh, who's this? It's a giraffe and a baby giraffe. They love trees, so let's put them right here. Who's this? It's two raccoons. Let's put them both right here. Ooh, who's this? It's a bear and a baby bear. Let's put them both on the mountain. Let's put the big one right here. The little one should go right here. Ooh, who's this? It's two monkeys. Let's put them on trees. One right here, and another one right here. Ooh, who's this? It's a zebra. Let's put the zebra next to the tiger. Ooh, who's this? Wow, it's very long. It's a cheetah. Let's put a cheetah up on the raccoon. Ooh, who's this? It's a flamingo. Let's put in the turtle on top. Ooh, who's this? It's a hippopotamus. Okay, let's put in with the flamingo right here. Final one and goes in there. It's a crocodile. Let's put it in by the hippo and flamingo. We can all have a swim. Ooh, who's this? It's a camel. Let's put him by the raccoon. Ooh, who's this standing? It's a chimpanzee. Let's put him by the trees. Ooh, it's a panda and a baby panda. Let's put the mommy panda here and the baby panda on top. Ooh, who's this? It's a gorilla. Let's put it next to the tree right here, so all monkeys can eat. Ooh, who's this? It's a lion. Let's put him by the pants. Oops, sorry, panda. Again. Alright, let's fix Baby Panda as well. Ooh. Who's this? It's a kangaroo. The kangaroo loves to stay in this corner with its Joey. Next one is a rhinoceros. Let's put the rhinoceros right here. Ooh, who's this? It's an ostrich. Let's put it right here. So they can all have a break. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!